Happy to be here. I think it's an amazing concept. I think it's great that Westin is trying something different and something new. So let them see if they enjoy the food. If they enjoy the food, it's a hit.
This is a big progress and this is a huge step on Marriott's part. So please, let's have such more initiatives.
We just got here and we are super excited to see everything that's gonna happen.
I'm here today as a pet chef because of these little munchkins that we've got together.
Thank you so much, thank you Westin for such a beautiful event. Really nice food.
Hi, this is Zozo, my little munchkin, and he's very friendly.